Want to add an ambient glow to your garden on a budget? Hi everyone, I'm Becky and this is the Solar Centre where solar lighting actually works. This is everything you need to know about the Hamptons Solar Garden Lights. Let's get into it. Our Hamptons Solar Garden Lights are cable free and run completely on their own. They measure at 29.5 centimetres tall and 8 centimetres wide. These lights emit a warm white vintage glow and come as a set of 2. So let's have a look inside the box. So inside the box we have the instructions, the light heads, the posts, and finally we have the stakes. To set up these lights, all you have to do is attach the post and the stake together and then slide the post into the light head, and then you have your light all ready to go. To turn these lights on, you'll need to pop the bulb off and remove the tag from the light. If you ever want to replace the battery, simply unclip the top, remove the battery and replace it with a new one. You can buy these batteries on our website. Once you're done, reattach the light bulb cover to the light and you're good to go. If we cover the solar panel, it tricks the light into thinking it's nighttime and the light turns on. Since these are solar lights, they'll turn on automatically at dusk and remain on for 10 hours on a full charge. These lights work well on their own or as a set of 2. These lights are made with a toughened plastic, making them durable and perfect for harsher British winters. If you have any questions on this product, please do leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks so much for watching and we'll see you in the next one.